Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Craft. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern is so pretty and it's easy for beginner. Learner can learn with this pattern. It's so pretty. You can make baby's dress, cardigan and baby blanket. You can make so many things set for baby. It's pretty good pattern. Also easy. Even beginner can make this pattern. I will show you step by step. So viewers, let's start. I'm using double knitting yarn and 4mm hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 21, 22. You can make any even number. For this pattern is easy. I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4th, half double crochet, then a half double crochet in the same stitch. Skip one, multiple these two. So you can make any even number. Chain, skip one. Sorry viewers. Oi. Don't be naughty. Skip one. So viewers, which I'm gonna put a yarn, show you yarn. This the one is the same yarn, just double knitting yarn, just different color. It has label, that's why I want to show you that one in cream color. So skip one always, then in one stitch make 2 half crochet, skip one, 2 half crochet. At the end you should have 2 stitch left. Skip one, the end one I'm gonna make one, just one half crochet, chain 2 always. This is so pretty. I hope you will love this pattern. Yarn over, it will go in one row. Okay, in one gap 2 half crochet, next gap 1, 2, each gap. Okay, which here gap 2 half crochet, like this. You can make so many things with this pattern. You can make baby set. So at the end you should have just 1 half crochet. Okay, then chain 2, chain 2. So in the gap 2 half crochet, yarn over, in the gap 2 half crochet. So I'm gonna continue like this. Always at the end, always I have to make in the gap 2 half double crochet, and at the end I should have always 1 half double crochet, whatever you project. This is for beginner, even can make learner can learn this with this pattern because it's easy. So at the end make always half 1 half, then always chain 2. Okay, I'm gonna continue like this. I will show you at the end. Viewers, I'm gonna stop this pattern now. My model is ready now. You can see it's so easy. I finish. It's both sides same. Pretty good pattern. I hope you will love this pattern.